Hello and welcome to the latest update from the Met Office for Christmas Day and Boxing Day. And it's all about the contrast this weekend. Cold and bright in the north and east on Christmas Day, rain elsewhere and very mild in the southwest. Similar to how we've seen on Christmas Eve, areas of rain moving through, pushing into central areas for Christmas Eve night. Northern Ireland into northern England, North Wales, the Midlands and East Anglia. Cloudy skies and outbreaks of mostly light rain. Heavier rain moving back into South Wales and the far southwest, a brisk wind here and mild. But for Scotland, clear spells and a fairly widespread ground frost and temperatures in sheltered spots dipping below freezing as well. So a chilly start here on Christmas Day, and you can see that temperature contrast here. Blues in the north, milder colours further south, southwesterlies pushing these weather fronts in, and in between they stall to bring increasingly later Christmas Day and into Boxing Day the threat of some hill snow for northern areas. But these weather fronts will be quite active as they push into southwestern parts, bringing some heavy rain at times through Christmas Day, an unpleasant day here. Whilst to the north of this weather front, well, it's largely dry and bright, and festive frost for Scotland as we begin Christmas Day. Plenty of dry and bright weather though remaining through the day here. Patchy cloud in the east and south of Scotland at times. Thicker cloud for Northern Ireland, Northern England, the Midlands into East Anglia. Staying dry here until later in the afternoon, but windy in the north, so it will feel cold through the day. 4 or 5 on the thermometer, a marked wind chill, and that wind particularly brisk over the mountains in the north. Meanwhile, further south, Wales, parts of southern and southwest England seeing outbreaks of rain, some heavy showers throughout Christmas Day, the rain persistent in many places. So an unpleasant day to come here, 12 Celsius, but not feeling very great at all. And that rain marches northwards on Christmas Day night, bumps into the colder air, mixes, and as a result, we're likely to see some snow. Could see some disruptive snow over the Pennines into the southern uplands, higher parts of central Scotland as well. Mainly above 300 or 400 metres, but because the snow is accompanied by strong winds, there's the risk of some ice accumulating on power lines. There's the risk of drifting of that snow, so tricky driving conditions. Watch out for that if you're travelling first thing Boxing Day. Staying clear in the far north of Scotland, a frost here, much milder elsewhere, and showers are expected for Northern Ireland, Wales, western parts of England from the word go on Boxing Day. The showers on and off, perhaps not as persistent as Christmas Day, and there will be some sunny spells in between. Mild here, staying cold in the north, but any rain and hill snow tends to fizzle out during the day. However, it will remain generally cloudy across much of the country, just the far north of Scotland staying clear. Big changes later next week as the weather turns much milder countrywide, but for this festive weekend it looks like there'll be big contrasts across the country. For now, that's all from me, so Merry Christmas.